Before we start, we want to share where we were able to purchase this headlight height sensor from. We ordered it online on heightsensor.com. They are a company based in Ukraine. No, they are not a sponsor of this video, but we want to vouch for them because others might think that the website is not legitimate. But we assure you that they are a legitimate company and we did receive our headlight height sensor. The only thing is because it is shipped internationally to the US, it might take a while for you to receive it, maybe 3 to 4 weeks. They are the only company that sells the height sensor unit itself. If you buy from the factory or the dealer, they will sell you the whole unit, height sensor, and height assembly as a whole. Even on eBay or Amazon, you can only buy them as a whole assembly. The only downside from buying from this site is it takes 3 to 4 weeks for delivery, especially if you live in the US. But they do give you a tracking number, and they frequently update you on the status of your order, so you don't feel like you're in the dark. They also have headlight level sensors for different car makes and models as well. So check them out if you need headlight height sensors for other vehicles that you own. I will add their link on the description section below. With that information out of the way, now we can continue. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the headlight height sensor for this 2002 Lexus RX300. The location of the headlight height sensor is behind the rear right passenger tire, which is why I don't know why I am filming on this side of the vehicle. So let me go to the other side, jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and remove the wheel. So give me a second.
2 weeks later.
As mentioned, the headlight level sensor is located behind the wheel of the rear passenger side of the vehicle. You can access it over here. So here's our current broken headlight level sensor. Now before we remove it, let me show you how to remove it properly using the new headlight level sensor as a reference. Now the base of the thread has a 10mm hex that you need to hold on with a slim 10mm wrench, open wrench. That way, when you remove the 10mm nut on top, it is not going to turn with the nut while you're turning it. You will do it on both sides. Now, before you remove it, make sure you remember the orientation of your headlight level sensor, like this, because some might install it the opposite direction and you will bend the headlight level. Alright, so let's remove it right now. Starting with the bottom, I'm gonna slide in our slim open wrench 10mm to hold on to the base. Then I'm gonna try to torque out or remove the nut on the outer threads. Remember, to remove the nut, it is counterclockwise. Just be patient, as this might be stuck since it's been here for a long time. There you go. Yay, one down.
Yes!
One to go. So because of all the stuff in the way, this is the best angle that I can get. So my apologies if it keeps getting out of focus. Anyway, so put in the 10mm slim open wrench on the base to hold it in place. Then turn the nut counterclockwise again to remove it. yay.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, it's out. Here's a comparison of the old broken headlight level sensor and the new headlight level sensor. Now, because the new headlight level sensor doesn't come with the hardware that you see here on the old broken headlight level sensor, you can transfer them if you want to. That's completely optional and up to you. For me, I'm just gonna transfer it since it's here. Okay, let's install the new headlight level sensor. Install the new headlight level sensor in its location. Don't forget the orientation for the headlight level sensor. Now before I put the new nuts in, I'm gonna dab just a little bit of thread locker on the threads so that it can help keep the nut in place and it doesn't fall off from vibration. Now insert the new nuts. Double check your work and make sure that everything's tight and secure. And that is how to replace the broken headlight level sensor for this 2002 Lexus RX300. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.